Today, we're diving into the world of video editing with a focus on the best video cutter applications for Android and see what makes each of them unique. Video Cutter Editor. This app is designed for users who want a simple yet effective way to edit their videos. It offers features such as trimming, cutting, and merging video clips with a user-friendly interface. Additionally, it supports a variety of formats and allows users to adjust the video quality and resolution. The app also provides options for adding music and text overlays, making it a versatile tool for both casual users and content creators. Video Cutter Maker. Known for its fast and efficient video cutting capabilities, Video Cutter Maker allows users to quickly trim videos to their desired length. The app is equipped with an intuitive timeline that makes it easy to select the start and end points of the video. It supports multiple video formats and includes features like previewing clips before saving. Users appreciate its simplicity and effectiveness, making it a popular choice for those who need to edit videos on the go. Video Cutter Pro. This application is aimed at more advanced users looking for comprehensive video editing tools. Video Cutter Pro offers a wide range of features, including cutting, cropping, and merging videos, as well as adding effects and filters. The app provides high-quality output and supports numerous file formats. Its advanced editing tools, such as frame-by-frame cutting and audio extraction, cater to professional video editors and enthusiasts alike. The interface is designed to facilitate easy navigation and efficient editing. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of the best video cutter apps for Android helps you find the perfect tool for your editing needs.